Welcome to Cheenta Statistics and Data Science. Today we're going to solve this problem from IIT JAM MS year 2021, problem number 27. The problem says that consider the problem of testing H naught x follows f0 against h1 x follows f1 based on a sample of size 1 where f naught of x is nothing but 1 if x lies between 0 and 1 and 0 otherwise, and if 1 of x says 2 minus 2x if x lies between 0 and 1 and 0 otherwise. This is the PDF of f0. This is the PDF f0 and this is the PDF f1. Then the probability of type 2 error of the most powerful test of size alpha equals to 0.1 is equal to, so we have to find the probability of type 2 error of the MP test of size alpha, where alpha is nothing but zero point 0.1. So here a sample, basically the problem says that a sample of size 1 has been taken from a distribution where we know that this x follows distribution either f0, which is this, you can see this is nothing but the uniform 0 1, right, or this thing f1, which is actually beta distribution, right? This is the beta distribution of the first kind. So this thing, so either follows this, h0 says that x follows this distribution and h1 says that x follows this distribution. So we have to actually, for that we have to actually find the MP test, right? MP test of size alpha. So how do we find that? It's very easy. So if naught of x is this, if 1 of x is this, and h naught versus h1, right? Now, by the NP lemma, that means the Neyman Pearson lemma, the most powerful size alpha test, the most powerful, the MP, the most powerful size alpha test that has critical region is given by reject h naught if and only if h1 of x divided by if h naught of x is greater than k. This critical region of the most powerful test of size alpha is actually of the form this, where this k term is actually such that the size is alpha. We have to actually find out the k so that the size of the test is alpha. So if under h1 is just means that under the assumption of h1 the PDF, and this is under the assumption of h naught the PDF. So if h1 of x divided by if h naught of x, h1 says that x follows f1, right? H1 says that x follows f1 and h naught says that x follows f0, f naught. So if h1 of x divided by if h naught of x is nothing but f1 of x divided by f naught of x, so this is nothing but 2 minus 2x divided by 1, right? Greater than k. It has to be greater than k. This is greater than k if and only if x is less than 1 minus k by 2, which is nothing but c. Suppose this is c. This is irrelevant. We can consider it at any new constant. We can easily consider it as any new constant. So x is less than c. Yeah. So that means the MP test is of the form reject h naught if and only if x is less than c, right? Now what is the c? The c has to be found out so that the size of the test is alpha, which is zero point 0.1. Now alpha is equals to 0.1. That means probability under h naught, reject h naught, h less than c is equals to 0.1, right? Is equals to 0.1. So under h naught, under the assumption of h naught, we know that x follows uniform distribution, uniform 0 1. So we can easily find the probability of x less than c, which is nothing but integral 0 to c if naught of x dx is equals to 0.1. Fair. So this is nothing but c is equals to 0.1. Therefore, the MP size alpha test is reject h naught if and only if x less than 0.1, right? So this is the test we now know that this is the MP's test of size 0.1 is this x less than reject h naught if and only if x less than 0.1. Now all we need to do, the only thing left is to calculate the probability of type 2 error. The probability of type 2 error is nothing but 1 minus probability under h1 reject h naught, right? So rejection of h naught is based on this x less than 0.1. So x less than 0.1 under the assumption of h1, remember, not under h naught. So under h1 x follows f1, right? So beta distribution 1, right? So this is 0 to 0.1 f1 of x dx, and this is nothing but this integral 0 to 0.1 2 minus 2x dx. Ultimately this solving this entire integral very easy, obviously we get the answer 0.81. Therefore the answer to this problem is 0.81. Now which option was this one? First option, 0.81. So the option A is the true answer of this problem. It's a very straightforward problem. You only needed to know how to use the NP lemma and all that. It's a very easy problem, right? Very easy. It's very straightforward problem. Nothing problematic. So there you have it, the solution to this problem. So do like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more exciting problems. See you till next time.